In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your MacBook. So it doesn't matter if you have a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro, as long as you have a Mac operating system, then this video is going to work for you. So all you need to do is head over to Safari, which is the pre-installed internet browser that comes with your MacBook. And then in the search box, you just need to type in Google Chrome download and then hit enter. Now click on this top search result here, this Google Chrome download the fast secure browser, and all you simply need to do is press the download Chrome button. Now give that a couple of seconds to download, and once that's finished downloading, you just need to head over to the downloads folder at the top here and double click on this Google Chrome.dmg file. Now that's going to pop up with this window here, and to install Google Chrome, all you simply need to do is drag this Google Chrome icon here over to the applications folder, and just like that, that's going to go ahead and install to your device. So you'll just need to wait for that to finish installing, and once that's finished copying over, you then need to head over to Launchpad in the bottom navigation here. As you can see, we now have this option for Google Chrome, so click on that. And you may get this security message pop up, just click on open, and that's going to go ahead and launch up the Google Chrome browser, and it's really as simple as that. That's how you install Google Chrome to your Mac device. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.